Hello, friends. Welcome back to another text of Google Drive tutorial. Today we'll learn how to duplicate or make a copy of folders in Google Drive. To duplicate a folder in Google Drive, you create the new folder you want or a duplicated folder. You click on the plus button at the top left corner of the screen and you make a title. So these are our folders. Let's duplicate this folder. Now let's give it the title as, then you select create. Now you can see that the folder has been created and it is empty. Now to copy or make a duplicate of the files inside the original folder to the new folder, you double click on the original folder to open the files in it. Then you select all the files within the folder by using your control button in your keyboard. You press Ctrl A to select all files. Now you can either right click or you use the Ctrl C to copy the files. So let's use Ctrl C here. As you can see, 3 items are copied to the clipboard. After the files have been copied, you go back to the home section and you refresh the page. You go back to your folder section and you open up the new or duplicated folder. Then you click or you press Ctrl V and the files that are being copied are now being pasted here, as you can see. So that is how you make a copy of folders in Google Drive. Another way to do this is after selecting all the files, you right click, then you select make a copy option. As you can see, they are being copied and they are copied here. So you go back and you paste it into the new folder you want to copy it into. You use your Ctrl V to paste. So that's it, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you, bye, and see you in the next video.